Hello, and welcome to another episode of Essential English for Conversations. I'm Dr. Priscilla, a native English speaker, and I live in the United States. In English, we often use the phrase catch a cold. This little quirky phrase means to become sick with a cold or virus. It's an interesting example of a collocation, a set of words that frequently go together that we use in everyday conversation. So when you hear someone say they've caught a cold, they mean they've become sick with a cold. Now, how do we use catch a cold in different contexts? Well, if you have been in the rain, you might say, I hope I don't catch a cold from all this rain. Now, let's just recap what I've shown you about collocations. The collocation, catch a cold. This phrase simply refers to becoming sick, specifically with a cold, and it's commonly used in various contexts in everyday English conversation. There you have it. The next time you hear catch a cold, you'll know exactly what has happened and what it means. Don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and comment below if you enjoyed this lesson. Stay tuned for more interesting English language lessons in the future.